Guys, I'm going to show you how to make some pork belly burnt ends, otherwise known as meat candy, and we're going to do it on the wood fire grill coming up. What's up, guys? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. Welcome to my backyard. So glad you're here. Guys, we got a fun one today. It's candy day. That's right, we're making some pork belly burnt ends, and we know it as meat candy. We're gonna use our Ninja wood fire grill today, but the steps on this can be used in any barbecue pit you have, whether it's a pellet grill, offset grill, whatever. So we got a nice bright sunny day out here in Southern California, finally drying out after all those big rains we had, which is a weird thing for me to say, but we'll go ahead and do these pork belly burnt ends, enjoy the sunshine on us. Lord has blessed us with another day, and I'm excited for it. So first thing I already did, I got these strips of pork belly from Costco, which is where a lot of people I know get their pork belly from. And then we're going to take the strips and slice little 2-inch pieces off. Nothing too terribly complicated thus far, right? We're gonna take those big old pieces of pork belly that are gonna shrink up to little pillows of love. I don't know, love pillows, not the right, whatever. You get what I'm saying. Then we're throwing those pork belly pieces into a pan. We're gonna use a little hot sauce as the binder. I know a lot of people use mustard or use some of that W sauce, but we're using the Dark Side of the Grill hot sauce by my buddy Mel from the Dark Side of the Grill. It's got some great flavors, and I've just been digging it lately, so I'll put a link down below for it. Then we got some of that TD's Brew and Barbecue sweet rub for this. So we're gonna get our pork belly pieces coated in that hot sauce, and then we're gonna just cover it in that barbecue rub, okay? You don't have to use TDs, but if you want to, I'll have a link below too. But any barbecue, any sweet barbecue rub you wanna use works perfect for this, okay? So I've covered the pork belly completely, all sides, up, down, sideways, with that barbecue rub, right? And now it's time to get it on the little grill plate for the wood fire. So I'm just lining them up, giving them a little space in between. Nothing too terribly tough right here, but we want to get smoke on as many sides as possible. And we're fitting about 4 pounds worth of pork belly on here. That's about as max as it's gonna hold right now. I'm using my Thermopro Temp Spike Bluetooth thermometer in one of the thickest pieces of the pork belly. We're gonna go ahead and temp it out as we go using our Lightning Instant Read. We're gonna take these to about 170 internal, you know, all of them. And then we're gonna wrap them and braise them in some good stuff that I'll go over later. But the first part of this is just the smoker setting. We're setting it at 300. We're just gonna blast it with that smoke and that heat, and then we'll go ahead and get those, you know, braised up. All right, you're gonna love that part. That's where you start really developing that meat candy. You've got some honey, got some barbecue sauce, little butter. It's gonna be good eating for sure. Nothing left to do but get to it. Oh, real quick, got me a new lid. Got me a new flat biller from Kenna's Kitchen, one of my friends in the YouTube game here. She sent this to me as a little congratulations for hitting that 100K. So do me a favor, go over there, show her some love. Put her link down below for her channel, right? They're doing some good things over there. Her and her husband, Travis, digging up. She's also in on this Ninja wood fire grill, so they've done some really good stuff on there. So thanks again, Kenna. You know I love me a dope hat, right? All right, guys, let's go ahead and get this smoker fired up, get that smoke rolling. Stick around. All right, team, we got some regular pellets in there already. Oh, no fancy whoop-de-doo pellets, just, you know, regular. I won't say the brand, but there's pellets in there. I'm gonna put it on the smoker setting. Gonna take that temperature to 300 degrees. Not 305. Hit start. Oh, guess it would help if we shut it down. Got it ignited, get that smoke rolling. We got it fired up, you can hear it rolling in the background. It helps when you shut the lid, so you hit start, it actually fires up, but semantics. All right, guys, so this is the time we just gotta chill out and wait. So come on back, it's gonna be about an hour, maybe 2 for me. For you, like nothing. Come on back. Temping these out around 165, 166, of them 170. I'm gonna give it a little bit more time with that smoke, and then we'll wrap it up with the glaze and the sauce and all that jazz. All right, team, our Lighting has got a little bit crappier, but you know, we'll make do with what we got. Going on about an hour of just the smoke time in there at 300 degrees. So now we're gonna take that pork belly out of the wood fire, get in some foil with all the goodies. I'll go over that right now. All right, let's go, let's check it out. Foil kind of boated up here. We have it double layered just in case. All right, we got some bad lighting. We got Charlie panning in the background. Hopefully you don't hear that. Kind of twist it up a little bit on each side. Gonna go in with all the goodness. Go in with about 4 or 5 pats of butter. Got 5 here. Going with some honey. This is where we start building up that good glaze. A couple tablespoons will do you. Gonna add just a little bit more of this rub. All right, we got the trash can, or it's trash day here. And you hear that in the background. All right, so we got some barbecue sauce here. We're keeping it with the TDs. Just gonna throw 2 or 3 ounces of apple juice in there. It all helps with the braising. We're just gonna take this, make sure we don't lose any on the side. Tighten it up on top. Tighten it over here in the back. Tighten it here on the front. Got a nice little package that anybody would love to get for Christmas. Again, sorry for the crappy lighting. Get our package back on. Let's just shut it down. Give it another hour or so. We'll check the temps. We're back on. We're getting giving that the braising time in there. I'm gonna take these to over 200 degrees, probably around 210, 215, but they're little pieces. We're gonna use our lightning instant read to check them, but I'm just gonna let them go an hour right now. I think that's gonna be enough. An hour of smoke, hour in the braise. We're gonna pull out those little pillows of goodness and get them on that grill and just let them set with a little heat, a little bit more barbecue sauce, and we'll call it a day. All right, hope you're with me thus far. Hope you're getting some value out of this. If you are, consider hitting that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. And of course, don't forget that thumbs up too. Helps out in the algorithm. Appreciate you. All right, we'll see you in an hour. Let this go another hour or so. We're gonna do a little probing with our instant read. Yeah, we're over 200 degrees, going through everything. Let's go ahead and pull these out. We'll get them on that grill. Just set all that sauce. Unwrapped here. You know, I said I would get these sauced up and get them set. You know, give them a little bit more time on that grill. But I'm just thinking these are done. Like just squishy pillows of love right there. Which I know sounds wrong. It's gonna get these moved around here in the sauce a little bit, in the little braising liquid we put together. But you can't tell me that just don't look perfect as is. I mean, these just look too dang good. They're falling apart. Little bites of heaven. Looking good, looking good. I'm gonna get these plated up and we'll give them a try. Okay, fine. We'll add a little bit more barbecue sauce over this top. By a little, I mean a lot. We're done. We did the slow-mo pour over. Got it all set up for the picture, for the thumbnail, all that good stuff. Now it's time for us to take a bite. That's what we've all been waiting for. Look at squishy, juicy. You can see that it's not coming through. Get on the juicy. Finger looking good. Stop it. What can I say, guys? Other than, you know, it's good. I mean, what's not to love? Spicy, sweet, savory. Got a squishy in your mouth. Guys, so good. Y'all, if you want to get one of these Ninja wood fire grills, I'll put a link down below. Check it out. It's an affiliate link, but it doesn't cost you anything more to use it. All right. You guys want to get one of these lightning instant read thermometers or the Temp Spike Bluetooth thermometer? Links will be down below for that too. Looking at my screen right there. Y'all go check out Kenna's Kitchen. All right. I'll have a link down below for her channel. Knives, cutting boards, merch, all that good stuff. They're all linked down below. All right. If you want to become part of CJ's crew for real here and become a show producer like all these amazingly awesome people scrolling across the screen right now, people who can't live without their pillows of love, these little meat candy, little pork belly burn-ins, hit that join button right next to the subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now. But other than that, guys, we are done. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.